If you have multiple PDF files and want to merge them into one PDF file, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video until the end and don't skip any part because every step is important. So let's get started. If this video meets your needs and helps you merge your PDF files, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. First, open your web browser and search for I Love PDF. Once the I Love PDF website is open, click on the Merge PDF option. Now click on Select PDF Files and choose all the PDF files you want to combine. After uploading your files, arrange them in the order you want them to appear in the final PDF. Once everything is in the correct order, click on Merge PDF. Wait a few moments while I Love PDF combines your files into a single PDF. When the process is complete, click on Download Merge PDF to save the new file to your computer. Finally, open the merged PDF and check that all your pages are in the correct order.